Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today, let's look at a 2020 23 ZX by Tige. This is a brand new 2020 Tige 23 ZX. It's in the frost and vivid orange metallic flake. Fantastic tower with lighting. This has the Convex patented hull by Tige. Color matched trailer. Has the underwater lighting. As you can see, it has the new TAPS 3 trim tab system. Has the rear backup camera. Step inside. Has the wet sound stereo system in it. Large touchscreen go system. Hit one button, press go, and it'll do all the ballast filling, setting up the boat for you, so that it makes it very simple. This has the smart wheel. As you notice, the gauges will stay stationary as you turn your wheel, so no matter where you're at, it's all stationary. Has a built-in cell phone charger, bolster seat, and a captain's chair. Coloration in this boat is fantastic. Has the gray with the orange accents. Backlit speakers. Nice upholstery work. The attention to detail is fantastic on this Tige. The tower will fold with the push of a button. Very easy and always simple to operate. More lighting. You can actually change the colors of these lights: blue, red, green, any color that you choose. Ample cup holders all throughout the boat. This seat will flip, enabling you to face forward or backwards. Here it is in the back position. Abundant storage in this boat as well. A mirror. Comes with a backpack. A very nice cooler. Actually a nice Tige branded soft bag cooler. This boat's powered with an Inmar Raptor 440 horsepower engine, all water cooled. If you'd like to come by and see this boat, we'd be glad to show it to you. If you'd like to come by MarineMax Lake Norman, again, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Be glad to show you this Tige or any of the other Tige boats that we have in inventory. Come by and see us.